This is a complete roadmap designed to take you from a beginner to a production-ready CI/CD engineer in exactly 18 days. We're going to master the entire software delivery lifecycle, step by step. Look at this top assembly line diagram tracking the journey from source code to monitor. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD, replaces manual deployments with an automated factory line for your code, delivering better software with fewer bugs. This DevOps infinity loop illustrates how software delivery becomes a continuous flow. By automating the handoffs between planning, building, and operating, we tear down the slow, traditional silos that separate developers from IT operations. Before any of this automation happens, we need a reliable way to track code changes. This diagram shows the 3 states of code in Git, moving from your local working directory to the staging area, and finally pushed up to a remote repository like GitHub. Without a centralized, version-controlled source of truth, automation is impossible. Getting your code into Git is the prerequisite step that triggers the entire delivery pipeline. Once a team is using Git, they need to collaborate safely. This branching diagram compares strategies like Git flow and trunk-based development, showing how developers isolate their work into separate branches before merging it back into the main codebase. As code merges, the pipeline takes over. Here we see the anatomy of that workflow. The overarching pipeline is broken down into logical stages like build and test, which contain specific jobs, which are executed through individual step commands. The first major stage is build automation. This sequence shows how raw source code and its dependencies are pulled together, compiled, and packaged into a single runnable artifact that is identical every single time. Next, we run automated tests to catch bugs early, a practice known as shift-left testing. This test pyramid organizes our approach, running hundreds of fast, cheap unit tests at the base before moving to slower, comprehensive end-to-end tests at the top. By standardizing how we branch, build, and test, we establish strict quality gates. If a test fails, the pipeline stops, ensuring broken code never advances to the next environment. To run these pipelines, teams choose from a vast ecosystem of tools. This chart contrasts the landscape, comparing self-hosted options like Jenkins, which require heavy infrastructure management, against modern, managed cloud-native solutions like GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions provides a highly integrated setup. As shown in this workflow anatomy diagram, a specific event like a code push or a pull request automatically triggers the series of jobs defined right inside your repository. Now imagine trying to configure all these steps by manually clicking through a web interface. It's slow, unversioned, and prone to human error. Instead, we write the entire pipeline in plain text, using declarative YAML files. Once the pipeline executes our code, it creates an artifact. This artifact lifecycle diagram highlights a crucial rule: immutability. You build the package exactly once, assign it a specific version number, and promote that exact same artifact through every environment. Treating your pipeline configuration as code stored next to your application transforms a fragile manual checklist into a reviewable, repeatable engineering asset. When it comes to running those artifacts, the industry has moved away from heavy virtual machines. This diagram illustrates how Docker containers share a single host operating system, making them lighter, faster to start, and perfectly consistent everywhere they run. With our app containerized, we deploy it using strict risk controls. These strategy diagrams demonstrate traffic shifting. A canary release routes a small percentage of users to the new container, while blue-green switches traffic instantly between identical environments. Managing thousands of containers requires Kubernetes, and we deploy using GitOps. This loop shows Argo CD automatically pulling the desired state from your repository. Because it's constantly syncing, Git becomes the absolute single source of truth. Unmerged changes simply don't exist in production. Pairing lightweight containers with a strict GitOps workflow lets teams deploy complex infrastructure reliably without anyone ever needing to manually log in to a production server. A production-ready pipeline must be secure. This shift-left security flow demonstrates how we run vulnerability scans early in the process, and as the lock icon reminds us, we use external managers to ensure passwords and API keys are never hard-coded in our files. Even with rigorous testing, failures happen. These 3 pillars, metrics, logs, and traces, give us continuous observability into the live application. If our monitoring detects a sudden spike in errors, this failure handling loop automatically triggers a rollback to the previous working version. Everything we've covered culminates in the Cartify end-to-end project. Looking at this 11-step pipeline, you can trace a developer's single commit as it travels through GitHub Actions, gets packaged into a Docker image, synced by Argo CD, and monitored by Prometheus. This diagram tracks the learning journey you take to build that pipeline. By mastering these automated sequences, you elevate your skills from a beginner running local code to a production CI/CD engineer managing distributed systems. Now it's time to build this final project yourself. If you lock in these principles, you enforce the golden rule of modern software delivery. Every commit, every test, every time. Automated.